I want to see him do it. I want to see him do it on him own. I want to see him do it on him own. Anything him do, I want to see him come up on him own. Him jump up on him, help him, and him shoot in and push in the energy. Hey, what a girl that they say? I wear this call me. I don't hear this call me because me this year say me dirty and I know me beard. So I want to know if I dirty this call me because you feel like say me no see that. I'm not going to ask. I don't think I'm supposed to ask. Me not think so. I think he's supposed to just come in and show him mother the strength. Just like how the little girl pity them a try a thing. Guys, me know. Jesus Christ. Guys, so my time I just joke me and make when we hate me, you know. Guys, me know she just said so. So the Andre smarted that again? Andre smarted that again will take your account? Call up Andre. Yeah. Come up Andre. Come on, yeah, guys, oh God, man, me don't see no but me know that don't me say a joke me and make me can't make me stop run joke with you know. I make me focus now, God no. Stop focus on that. Hey, you see, in a family, more well they don't want you hear nothing, you know, so you have to stick out your ears like a dove. You see, in a family, they don't want you hear nothing. Whatever you hear the chatterbox or you are the one where we come out and talk, so you see right now you have to stick out your ears like an antenna. Tapping eyes, when you tapping eyes with me, you are going in there. Oh, you're there. Who is this person?
Mommy, somebody take on my IG account and somebody want me close and me give them a login and it's me login up back now.
Say that close to the person, so you give them your login?
Me give them a login, mommy, and me take you back now. Me log out everybody from out of the account, right? They didn't do that, me don't know how they login back, but they login back and put their number on it and log out of my account completely. Me can't go in a non-tag. And me try to tell them, me try to give my account, mommy, because it's not nice that mommy tell them me don't know how they me try to get back my account.
So it was close to you? You were close? Like, not your friend?
Yes, mommy.
Saying close enough till you have all your account and password and everything.
Mommy, another time right now, mommy.
Me mean be another time there, but at that time they alone me I see. Me not see no other time for ask the right question them.
Mommy, everybody have me login, you know?
Why a person would give a person them personal login? That's weird. There ain't nobody in this world who that close.
Drea have me login.
Me not have your login.
Because your mother you have me phone them. As if me have my phone and me have an Instagram, you have my Instagram.
But how close it could have been to a person that's a person have your login? That's weird. Everybody know.
You have my login, Tina?
Oh, me have your login?
Mommy, have Instagram on your phone and my
login. So, who is the person? What's his name?
Andre.
Andre? Is a girl or a boy?
It's a boy.
It's a boy named Andre and he got your login and you're close and he take away your Instagram.
I'm my close friend and have my login.
Drea have your login too. Can I get your bank account number? I need a bank account number and the password. Can I get that?
No, mommy.
Me can get your social security too. Me just want to know. Because you walk and give out every personal thing for you, you know. Me a come in, no come. Hey, where the person there? Tell him to send me a request. Tell him to come send me a request. I want to know him. Tell him to send me a request. Come.
Mommy.
No, everybody watch up on social media. You make that person get... Look here. Come go for the sun. Come now. Come go for the sun. Come, your brother over there. Come carry one bag. Another time. Alright, no problem. Me deal with you. Alright, but otherwise, go for your son and come back. What you want me do?
You
want back your account?
I want my account.
So you ball over Instagram account?
Because you're not fit for my account.
Because you're not fit. Hey, look here, go for the sun. Come here, I get mad in this blood clot here, I know. You did think you're supposed to have one Instagram account in the first place? Me care about who have it, me care about you and if you have it. Come out of my face because you're there yourself to vote me. I not lock down my life for you. Go for the sun. Ball meanwhile you carry the sun. Ball and carry the sun. Nothing no wrong. Ball out your tears when you carry the sun for build your house. Ball and carry the sun. Ball over the Instagram and you check. Hey, no, leave down my banana tree now. Don't leave down my banana tree. So where you lick banana tree for? You know my banana tree over Instagram. What kind of style that? I lead on my banana tree. After my banana tree never hacky. My banana tree never did hack your Instagram. My banana tree never did hack the Instagram. So I know you lead a poorly banana tree. Wingy, who the person? Where him there? Him there on your page now?
No, me a call out to you. Andre, come on.
Him there on the live?
Come on,
No, no care him up on the live. Me want, what you call him? Me want know who that person is. Oh, you want the phone? Or come feed. Me know what I go on. And me still know one about the page. So you did know see your sister have an Instagram? What you say? Which Instagram we know say she have? Me know which one on Instagram you say me know now? Which Instagram she have what you say me know about?
Me know you need a Instagram night time. Alex, pass my phone from me.
Me not pass the phone. You're in it too. Which Instagram me know about? Talk to me. Which Instagram me know about? Talk to me now. And what me say to you say? So me tell you to take it from her. You never take it from her, but you give her back and give her the phone. No, you see you're part of it. Me not give you back the phone yet. I take you and fling in her wall. Me not give you back the phone. Me not give you back the phone. And you can't take it out of my hand. Come feet now. Because I want to know about the Instagram. You know about the Instagram. I want to know about the Instagram. And you want to involve me, say me know about the Instagram. Which Instagram name? Nighttime. Nighttime what? Crawley. Nighttime what? What the Instagram name? You know about it, you know. Me know about it. So you don't follow the Instagram, but you know about the Instagram. I know. Two of them are peas and pie. Look here, your son come on pan two sister. Your son come on pan sister ban. Not even you as a mother no in a middle. You hear? When you come on pan sister ban, I went two sisters keep looking secret for them one another. Hey, don't feel like you mother can come in a middle. Because up to you as a mother when they're ready, then go chat you and say you put your foot back dry and rub no lotion on your foot back. More while you as a mother, all you to back for the two of them go on one side and then chat you and laugh and fire your fudge. You think sister would easy when them ban on them have you know nothing? Eh? That. Right now, when they done the two of them soon gonna chat me, say me take with their phone. And when they done with me to backside, don't go God he knows. Me not give it back. I'm not giving it back. But how me go get the code? That are the whole thing I you know. Are the code. Shit. Can't take it the light. We have to be more decent. Oh shoot, we have to tone down. You got to tone down. Wendy? You did drink quality water? Remember see you drink last night, you know? No, me serious. Me I tell you, we dehydrate. You hear? Me car. No, say you have to drink some water. Beg some water to know. No, cause me drink and me dehydrated. Me just try to make sure say you not dehydrated too. Say your bags too? I forgot you something else. We need something else. Yeah, you not gonna work so it's true. You not gonna work. I forgot be nice. I forgot be nicer than that. But me see, hey, you see uno? You know, see enough time me see uno just look funny and find out where the person touch. I wonder if I'm my birthday. You want your phone?
Yeah, Mom, my phone to call.
Beg your call for call Chanel now, please.
I tried to call Chanel. Chanel answer to me.
No, me text her and tell him say me I call her on your phone. That's what me phone me get for call her. Please, come here, son.
Me nah what no phone here for your TikTok. Leave me alone and give me phone.
Listen, huh?
Oh. This paper room. But mom is sorry because it's like me a watch that.
I wonder if for my birthday. I wonder if they love me that. Oh yeah, may I give your phone, That one more number. My birthday. It will lock.